take a look at this. We've got a square. And from the top left corner, a line goes straight to the right side. That line has length 10. Now, from that exact point on the right side, we draw another line, perpendicular to the first one. And that second line has length 5. So the question is, can we find the area of the whole square just from this? It sounds a bit strange, but there's a really nice way to handle it. Let's call the side of the square S. So the area we want is S squared. Now, look at the right side of the square. We've two right triangles, one at the top and one at the bottom. Start with the top triangle. One side is the top edge, so that's S. The vertical side on the right, let's call that X. And the slanted side is 10. Now look at the bottom triangle. Its slanted side is 5, and its vertical side? The whole side is S, but we already used X at the top, so this one is S minus X. Now here's the key idea. Look at the angles. Let's call the angle at the top left alpha. In that top triangle, the other angle becomes 90 minus alpha. Now go to the right side, where the two lines meet. That straight line makes 180 degrees. One angle is 90 minus alpha, so the last angle must be alpha.
So both triangles share the same angle alpha, and both are right triangles. That means they are similar. So their sides are in the same ratio. Look at the hypotenuse. Top one is 10. Bottom one is 5. So the top triangle is exactly twice the size. That means the matching side, S, must be twice of S minus X. So we write S equals 2 times S minus X. Expand that. S equals 2S minus 2X. Rearrange it, and we get X equals S over 2. Now we're very close.
Go back to the top triangle. Use Pythagoras. S squared plus X squared equals 10 squared. Substitute X. So we get S squared plus S over 2 whole squared equals 100. That becomes S squared plus S squared over 4 equals 100. Multiply everything by 4 to clear the fraction. We get 4S squared plus S squared equals 400. So 5S squared equals 400. Divide by 5, and we get S squared equals 80. And that's exactly what we need. The area of the square is 80. Pretty satisfying, right? Just from 2 lengths, we get the whole area. If you saw this early, that's actually impressive. All right, see you in the next one.